Ready to fuel your Solana DeFi journey by adding USDT to your SolFlare wallet. First, ensure you have USDT in an exchange or another wallet that supports sending tokens on the Solana network. Popular choices include Binance, Coinbase, or even another Solana wallet. Within your chosen exchange or wallet, locate your USDT balance and select the withdraw or send option. This is usually found near your asset list or within your USDT wallet details. Now, and this is crucial, select the Solana network as the withdrawal network. Sending USDT through the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds, so double check this step. Open your SolFlare wallet and find your Solana address. You can usually find this on the main dashboard or within the Receive section. Click the copy icon next to your address to copy it to your clipboard. Go back to your exchange or wallet and paste your copied Solana address into the recipient address or withdrawal address field. Double check that the address matches your SolFlare address exactly to avoid errors. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to your SolFlare wallet. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees charged by the exchange and factor that into your calculations. Before confirming, carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen. Pay close attention to the network selected, Solana, and the recipient address, making sure they are correct. Confirm the transaction on your exchange or wallet. You may need to complete a verification step, such as entering a 2FA code. Once confirmed, it will take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed and reflected in your SolFlare wallet. You can track the transaction status on the Solana blockchain using a block explorer. Congratulations! Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see your USDT balance updated in your SolFlare wallet. Now you are ready to explore the exciting world of DeFi on Solana.